Hello, my name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is Tom. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from Boston.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm an accountant.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and playing video games. That's cool. I love to cook.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My parents, my sister, and me.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak a little Spanish.
What time is it now?
It's 3:30 p.m.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie is The Matrix.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment downtown.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach with my friends.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring the most.
What do you like to do on the weekends?
I usually relax and watch movies.
Can you help me, please?
Sure, what do you need?
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm free.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What's your favorite book?
The Alchemist is my favorite.
What do you want to drink?
I'll have a coffee, please.
What do you want for dinner?
Let's get some Chinese food.
Can I get your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-1234.
What's your email address?
It's tom.smith@email.com.
How much does this cost?
It's $15.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really like history.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I read a lot.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Friends.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
How do you feel today?
I feel a little tired.
What are you doing now?
I'm studying for my exam.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
How was your day?
It was great.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket.
What are you eating?
I'm eating a sandwich.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking water.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a red car.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need some water.
What's your favorite sport?
I like basketball.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dogs.
Do you like to go shopping?
No, I don't really like it.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had toast and eggs.
Where do you want to go on vacation?
I want to go to Hawaii.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you need anything from the store?
No, thank you.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, there's a great Italian restaurant near my house.
How do you spell your name?
It's A-N-N-A.
How do you feel about the news?
I feel a bit sad.
What's your favorite kind of dessert?
I love ice cream.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to a concert.
Can you recommend a good movie?
You should watch Parasite.
What kind of phone do you have?
I have an iPhone.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
What's your favorite thing about your city?
I love the parks.
Do you have a favorite singer?
Taylor Swift is my favorite.
How do you like your coffee?
With a little milk and sugar.
What's the best time of day for you?
The evening.
What do you think about this new restaurant?
I think it's very good.
Do you have any big plans for the new year?
I want to learn to play the guitar.